사람들이 성공을 못하는 이유가 있겠죠.
However, most of them never get to experience it. There's a reason for that.
성공하려고 마음을 먹는 것이 중요한 것이 아니라
I believe that it's not just one day thinking about wanting to be successful. That's not the key.
성공하려는 마음을 먹을 것을 성공할 때까지 유지하는 것이 중요한 것입니다.
So the key is after you have the original thought of I would one day like to be successful, having an environment where you could consistently think about it and not give up that thought until you get there is the key of someone becoming successful.
성공하려는 마음을 계속 유지하게끔 하는 것을 바로 우리는 시스템이라고 합니다.
And you know what makes people consistently thrive and strive to be successful and not lose the thought of wanting to be successful is what system does. And I believe that that's the most important thing a system could do for our partners.